How a customer places an order using the Eskips online ordering system. They will start by entering their delivery postcode. Our system displays products based on the postcode and will only display the available skips for that area. They will then select the size required. From the details page, they will need to select their permit requirements, which would add the cost of the permit to the item. They would then add the product to their basket. They are taken to their shopping cart to review their order. Clicking Proceed to Checkout will move them to the delivery details screen, where they will add their delivery address, or, if required, add a separate billing and delivery address. They will then select the delivery date and time for their order and enter any additional details. The Terms and Conditions box must be checked in order to continue to the Payments page. Once the Place Order button is pressed, the customer is taken to the Payments page for whatever payment option you would be using. For this example, we're using WorldPay. We do not hold any payment information, which is all done through the WorldPay interface. Once the payment is successful, they are returned to the order summary, which they can print if required. The system also sends the customer an email with these details, letting them know that payment has been successful and that the order has been received.